Okay, everybody, I'm Nina Miller. I'm your mascara artist. I'm here to tell you about Tres Leches. I'm going to go over how the Tres Leches works and how we're going to take this beautiful face off. So I have my clean microfiber cloth. I'm just going to clean off all of the makeup. And I didn't put any eyeshadow or, well, I did put some Summer Love up there. So, I'm not going to put the mask on, because I did my mask this morning. And I do not want to put too much. I don't want to overdo the mask. So, we're doing this. This microfiber cloth takes the place of makeup remover wipes. We do sell the makeup remover wipes if you don't want to use a microfiber cloth, but most of the time you need to wash your face with a washcloth. So I'm gonna take my Tres Leches cleanser and I am going to wash my face. And I'm going to put 1 dropper full all over my face. It feels like you don't have any on, but I'm telling you, you do. I'm just going to rub that in. Every time I do this, my face feels so good. It feels like you could almost just leave this in and not do anything else with it, but you do need to wash it off. So, take my wet microfiber cloth. I'm gonna wipe that off. This is the best skincare ever. And I got a little bit of makeup off. I got most of it off to start with before with the microfiber cloth. Just washing. Once I'm sure I've got all the makeup off, I'm going to take my Tres Leches toner. Now you can do this one of 2 ways. You can spray your face or you can spray the pad. I personally spray my face because I use less product that way. You can spray the pad, but you're going to spray more on this pad than you probably need. So to spray my face, I just make sure my eyes are closed. And I do 3 little pumps like that. And then you can either let it dry, or I like to just take this and wipe it off. Wipe it everywhere. I can't see any, can you? See how clean my face was after doing the Tres Leches. A lot of times when you do a toner after you do your cleanser, you still have dirt on your face. There was none left on my face. So I'm not going to do the mask because I did that earlier in a video that unfortunately didn't work. So that's why these are pre-recorded. And so that's that. But anyway, so I'm not going to do the mask, but this would stay on for 3 to 5 minutes. Do it once or twice a week. That's it. and then you would wash it off. And then after that, you're going to use your Milk moisturizer. Now, this is how it works. That's it, folks. Now, before I messed my face up using that other stuff that I was doing a demo on to see, well, doing a trial on to see if my product was the best. I was doing this once a day at night. And in the morning, all I needed to do was just wash my face with a microfiber cloth, a clean microfiber cloth, and put on a light moisturizer. I have some Clinique, sometimes I use that. I have some Mary Kay, sometimes I use that. Just a light moisturizer. It was all I was using in the morning. Since I messed my face up, I mean, it was flaking everywhere. I've had to use the Milk twice a day, but it is finally, and I just went to the beach even, so for me to have just gone to the beach and I'm not peeling everywhere, that is amazing. So I just now have gotten where I only need to use this, I think, once a day now. I'm back to where I was, just once a day. That's why it lasts so long, is because you use it at night, and in the morning, just use a plain water and a cloth and wash your face, and use a light moisturizer and a primer before you put your makeup on, and you're good. So that's why I love it so good. I used to feel old as dirt. My body still feels old as dirt, but my face does not feel so old anymore. And I love the way the makeup feels. I love the way the cleanser feels, and I'm very happy about all of that. So I'm saying all that to say that this is something that you can do too. So why don't you give it a try? There will be a link for you to shop from now until May. The end of May, we'll do a mystery hostess, and anybody who shops from the mystery hostess will get their name put into a drawing. If you shop once, then you get one entry. If you shop twice, you get another entry. And then I'll draw at the end of the month. And I think I have 6 more tins of makeup to sell by the end of the month, or 2 of these items, you know, any one, Milk, cleanser, toner, mask, just 2 of these items, or 1 of the whole set. And if that happens before the end of the month, Miss April is going to get a makeover. And if any of you know my daughter, Miss April, she's hoping that doesn't happen, because she does not want to do that. But she's taking one for the team. She's taking one because she loves her mama, and because I said she was going to do it. No, she said she was going to do it a long time ago, and I'm just cashing in. So she said she would take one for the team, but I have to do it by the end of the month. So if I don't sell 6 more of those tins, or at least 2 of these items, or 1 of the whole Tres Leches sets, no makeup on April. It's done deal. So I'll have to come up with something else that's big. I mean, she won't do it for something little. It has to be big. I have to do a big thing in order for her to do the makeup. So I have to start all over again to get the makeup on her. So can you help me out? Help a sister out. Help a sister out. So, and watch April get transformed from the person that she is, who's beautiful, into a beautiful other person. A beautiful other person. Just a different beautiful. So, there you go. If you don't know my daughter, you just don't understand what I'm talking about. But if you know my daughter, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. So, there you go. If you know my daughter, then help a sister out. Okay. I'm signing off now. So, I'll pop the link down below for the Mystery Hostess. So, if you shop from that link so that you can get your entry into to win the rewards. You can win up to $500 worth of makeup. I forgot to say that. You can win up to $500 in makeup. So, all right. That's it. That's all I got. Happy Friday night. See ya.